Oh boy, resumes, why so tricky? Hey everybody, welcome. Today we're talking about something that can feel like a giant puzzle. I'm talking about resumes. Yes, that piece of paper or that digital file that's supposed to tell everyone how amazing you are. It sounds simple, right? Just write down your stuff. But oh, it's often not that simple at all, is it? You're trying to get a new job. Maybe it's your first job. Or maybe you're a pro, looking for a new adventure. Either way, you need that resume. And you need it to be good, like really good. But where do you even start? What do you put in? What do you leave out? Resumes are important, super important. But they can be a real pain in the neck to create quickly and efficiently. Guess what? I've got some good news for you. Things are about to get a whole lot easier. Get ready. Alright, so we know resumes can be a bit of a challenge, but what if I told you there are some new friends out there, friends who are super smart and super helpful, and they love, helping with resumes. I'm talking about AI, artificial intelligence. Now, don't get scared, these are tools. Think of them as your clever little assistants, ready to do the heavy lifting for you. There are some really cool AI resume builders out there. You might have heard of some. There's Zety, Kickresume, Resume.io, and even Canva. These AI tools are designed to make your life easier. They use smart technology to help you write, format, and even tailor your resume. They know what works. They know what employers are looking for. They're like your secret weapon. So, get ready to meet your new AI resume building pals. They're waiting to help you out. Okay, are you ready? Let's actually make a resume. With AI. In, 10 minutes. I'm serious. First things first, you'll pick one of those AI resume tools we talked about. Go to their website. Sign up if you need to. Once you're in, the first fun part is choosing a template. They have so many pretty ones, professional ones, modern ones, creative ones. Next up, you gotta add your basic info. Your name, phone number, email. The AI tool will have little boxes for you to fill in. Now for the really cool part, the AI magic. Let's say you need to write about your past jobs. You can type in your job title, like cashier or office helper, and the AI will suggest bullet points. It will give you amazing descriptions of what you did using fancy action words. And skills. The AI can help here too. Based on the jobs you've had or the job it can suggest skills to add. You're building it piece by piece with your new AI friend helping every step of the way. See? Easy peasy. Section 4. Sparkle and Shine Tips for a Super Resume. Alright, so your AI buddy has helped you get all the basics down. That's amazing. You've got your info, your job descriptions, your skills, but we want your resume to do more than just exist. We want it to sparkle, we want it to shine. We want it to make employers go, wow, we need to meet this person. First, keep it short and sweet. Most of the time, one page is perfect. Employers are busy people. They glance at resumes quickly. So, you want to make a great impression fast. Think of it like a movie trailer. Next, use action verbs. Words like managed, created, led, developed, achieved. They show you did things. Instead of saying was responsible for tasks, say managed daily tasks. Tailor your resume for each job. Read the job description carefully. Finally, proofread, read it over, then read it again. Then maybe have a friend read it. Many AI tools have built-in spell checkers and grammar checkers. Use them. Section 5, your secrets are safe with AI, mostly. Now we're putting a lot of personal information into these AI tools, right? Your name, your contact info, your work history, it's all your stuff. So it's totally normal to wonder, is my data safe, is it private? Most reputable AI resume builders take your privacy and security very seriously. They use things like encryption. That's a fancy word for scrambling your data so only you and the tool can understand it. They also have privacy policies. Look for how they use your data. Do they sell it to other companies? Most good ones don't, or they'll be very clear about it. Use strong, unique passwords for your accounts. Be careful if you're using a public computer like at a library. Always log out of your account when you're done. While AI is amazing and super helpful, it's still smart to be a little bit careful. Think before you click. Read a little bit about the tool you're using. Choose well-known, trusted platforms. Conclusion. Go get 'em, Tiger! Your AI resume awaits. So, there you have it. Creating a resume doesn't have to be a nightmare anymore. With these amazing AI tools, you can whip up a fantastic, professional-looking resume in minutes. Seriously, minutes. Think of all the time you'll save. Time you can spend doing other important things, like learning a new dance. Or figuring out what you're going to wear to that job interview you're definitely going to get with your new resume. AI helps you find the right words. It helps you choose a great design. It helps you highlight your skills. It's like having a personal career coach, but one that's available 24/7 and doesn't charge you by the hour. Remember all those great tools we talked about? Zety, Kickresume, Resume.io, Canva AI, Resume Builder. They're all out there waiting for you. Many of them have free versions, so you can try them out and see which one you like best. So, what are you waiting for? Don't let that old dusty resume hold you back. Go on, give these AI resume builders a try. You've got nothing to lose and a fantastic new resume to gain. Go get 'em. We'll be right here, cheering you on. This is the Technocrat signing off for today.